Welcome to Jackass.
Oh my God! What up, boys and girls, or girl? There's at least one of you that watches. Today we are going to a bike night, actually. I've been to a few car meets, but for whatever reason, I have not been to any bike meets this season. But it's a perfect day, so I'm gonna go link up with the boys, and then we're gonna go to the TTS bike night, which we used to go to a bunch last year. Should be a good turnout. They pull a lot of bikes. Yeah, I'll catch up with you guys once I link up with the guys. Oh, what is this? There's like chunks missing out of the road. This should be where the boys are. Oh, hello! What up, boys? What's good, bro? Somebody smells nice.
Sounds good coming up.
Is that you?
No. Yeah, this smells
Look at that fresh ceramic coat. I'm gonna take the triple for Ripskis. This bike is so much lower.
lighter too.
Oh, that clutch is light. It's a big dead spot in the throttle. Huh. It's weird. It's GP shift, right? There we go. It wouldn't go into gear. Good Lord. We gotta do a proper like build breakdown and first ride on this bike. This thing is so sick. I don't understand why it's got so much play in the throttle though. It's kind of weird. It's like nothing. There it is. It's like real touchy. I don't know if that's just how it is. Oh yeah. This thing's got some power. And we're definitely making some people upset. I'm gonna do a quick back and forth and then get out of here because this is for sure gonna blow a spot. Brakes are nice though. The bike feels good. This thing just wants to lean. This thing tilts so nice. Oh my God. Yeah, that is nice. All the power. Quick shifter's nice. Yeah, this thing's an animal. stable. Point and shoot. I think it just goes exactly where you want it to go. And lots of gravel. Yeah, I gotta get this thing on the highway. Dude, it's so nice. It handles so good.
Sounds good too.
I'll bet it does. Dude, it's so stable too.
Yeah.
Like, I got to lean a tiny bit over there. It's just so nice and stable in it.
Yeah. Do you feel your arms, how they bow out a little bit?
I love that.
Yeah.
It just feels more natural for my lanky arms.
Do you mind if I make some popcorn? Do R1M?
Go for it. You miss it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now I get to hear the R1M scream. Oh yeah.
It's so tall.
I know, it's up there.
How can I ride this thing?
It's lower now with the race seat. Very nice. Oh, she looks good. Oh, that tone. Never gets old. Good God. Good God.
Yep, it's starting to cop it.
Starting to cup?
Yep.
No way.
You gotta start swerving a little more.
Alright guys, which one sounds best?
Welcome to Jackass.
Alright, we're just waiting on the man, light speed. These two always acting up. That titanium looks beautiful.
That's not making it in the video.
There he is. The man, the myth, the legend. Lightspeed H2. Look at that gorgeous sunset. Alright, we are heading to the meet. tell him cop. And what does he do? Oh my God! That is painful! Good Lord! That is so painful! Oh my God, dude! Truly insane! Of all the times for me to forget to put my earplugs in, that went through my helmet, through everything. Yeah, I need to do a first, or not a first ride, but a build breakdown and review on the H2 again. I already did a ride on it, but that's when it was stock. This thing is a stage 2 monster now. Alright, we pulling out, boys. Oh yeah, it is packed today. Super packed. Guess we'll go here. Am I too close? Nah, whatever. Yes, sir! It's beautiful. What happened?
I kept blowing past cops as like when I got to the whatever exit I needed, and so I just have to keep blowing past them doing something different.
That cop was right there sitting waiting for him. He's like, hi.
He made it here quick.
He said, hey, there's a cop. And then you looked this way and then...
And he just rev bombed.
I didn't even realize you said that.
Oh, I thought we were immediately getting lit up for that. So I guess our boy Fat and Furious blew his forks out. So he's at some parking lot somewhere. We gotta go rescue him. It's all those wheelies. Hopefully the bike's still rideable. What's up, baby?
Cracked radiator.
Did you actually?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Or what, a rock or something?
No, it's, I came down from a wheelie and I false neutraled the wheelie, so it just slammed me down really hard.
Alright, boys. Fat and Furious's bike safely in the minivan. I can't believe that thing fit. Alright, boys, that was a fun little meet. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one.